Okay. Good morning, New Yorkers. How are you doing? How is your life going on? Tell me. Gold is acting very beautifully, extremely beautifully. It is acting, and the market structure that I explained. First, let's move this here. Okay, because now this is a proper entry for me. You can say as this. 100 1140 1114 pips of a take profit and 298 pips of a stop loss. So when the bulls see it, they will slightly go crazy, and I already see the signs of bulls being getting crazy now, because see how beautiful it is working right here. So see, my friends, one thing I want to tell you very clearly today. One will need to understand the market structure. I am again and again telling this thing to everyone. Market structure one will understand, then those traders will get successful in this market. For example, if we see right here, like one can easily say, Aftab, how did you find this level? How you question arise in the mind, right? Before that, we had in the London session that I explained some this ABCD pattern as well. We ate all of that move together in the London session. So market structure knowledge will be, my friends, very much important, because my friend, literally, if I tell you, without a market structure strategy, if you think Aftab will be saving you or someone else will be saving you, that is wrong. Market structure will always be helping us. It will be for our help right here, and we make profits with the help of market structure. If market structure was not there, Aftab will not be making money in this market. So one complaint I have, most of the mentors have from their students, is that, let's say if I start to explain right now, most of you guys are going to run away. Why? Because one thing I always say is, most of the trader is 100% focused at this particular zone. Everyone, oh God, where the market is going. Oh, I'm holding a sell. Oh, where should I take profit? The stop loss. Oh, I'm holding a buy. Shall I close it here? Should I leave it till there? And this stuff, and this stuff, and this stuff, and whole 100% we are focused on this market. Think for a while about it, my friend. Then I proceed further. Here in these groups I do chit chats, I do have fun, this and that. I try to stay informal, but then I feel that most of the traders then take my knowledge and my information that I'm providing, they take it for granted, and they themselves are then losing money. With me, anyone who wants to go long term, I'm assuring you will be profitable. Listen to me very, very carefully. This is what I want to tell each and everyone. Anyone who wants to go with me for the longer run will be successful. So if, my friend, the whole 100% of the brain is used, brain power, so if, for example, 100% of the brain power is used right here, my friends, how we are going to study this? Really, that okay, even thousand times I gave you these examples and will be still giving you this example that this market is a snake. Forex trading is like, this is a desert, okay? Understand this. This is a big desert. We try to find out the snake with its prints, okay? In a desert, when you see a snake is gone somewhere, sometimes on these levels, a little bit of sand and dust from the desert winds can make them hidden, but the footprints are like still there and we need to work on that. Thank you so much. Be my guest, everyone. A fresh cup of tea. So if I use 100% of my brain, my friend, right here, just ask yourself, are you going to study this really or not? I'm writing down right here, 95% of the traders lose not because of strategy or bad psychology, but they are losing because of what? Not understanding the market. Got it? Understood? So whenever I explain these markets, don't just take my analysis or stuff for granted, because there is a full study behind it. And if I tell you this market is also on this wave, now people come to me and they say, how do we know? Shall we trade this particular wave? This one? Shall we trade this particular one? Or shall we trade this particular one? Because I say market is, remember, market is up and down at the same time and ranging at the same time. Okay, this is range, this is range, this is up move, down move, this is up move, this is down move. So remember this, when I say this about the market, remember what I say. Okay, when I say the market is as this now, understand. When I say the market is as this now, understand this is indicating for a bullish breakout. When I say as this, means I'm indicating for a bearish. And when I say this, I'm indicating for a bullish channel. These things, understand, these things make you a rule. If you don't get successful in 3 months, just tell me. But first follow these things what I'm telling you. Follow them. Don't be judgmental all of the time. One mentor having a stop loss hit in the live stream, entitling him and his strategy, oh, this doesn't work. Totally false concept that is. So I will pray Almighty give us such powers that we make lots and lots of the profits. And in order to find out these impulsive waves, my friends, see, like market sometimes are as this: A, B, C, D, and at the same time markets are as this. Let's say right here it will be showing this, and it will be showing this, it will be in the midway. And this is the places where I look for my potential entries, either buy or the down. Now this market lifted very nicely from there with low volume, big volume sellers came, and market again is now down. But till this level I'm holding the buy. If it is reversing from here is fine, otherwise I will leave the position. I'm not selling at all today, most probably not at all. I'm willing to buy if market gives me good levels, then yes, I will be buying and we will be making profits together. How much profits did we made since morning? How much? This is my third stream of the day. Third stream, over 600 pips we already generated together in this stream. I just free of cost gave right here. I get happy when I give these profitable pips to people. Eric, well, it's your own choice. Yes, you can also place, you cannot place. It's up to you. Who am I to tell people to place or not place? This is the right place, okay, because we have a news as well. There will be big spikes downs as well today. So this place, let's see, we still have 41 minutes left in the news. So till then, if it is gone up, then otherwise we wait. Otherwise we wait for the market. We are not going crazy for the market. Remember, market will be always as this. The one is the one who makes good profits out of this market. Try to follow those people who make good profits. Try to spend time in successful groups, okay? Now for scalping, this is a good buy. Yes, scalping one it is. The rest we see plenty of the profits I made since morning. Why? Let me tell you why my analysis worked this much better. Because I have no intention from you to earn from you or to do this or that. Okay, I am just, like you can say, preaching it. Preaching, you know, preaching. Hey world, I have found something working. Come here, listen to me, it's working. So earlier I used to chase the views and the members and this and that, the live viewers. Then I saw a dream. In that dream, I saw there was a big window full of light coming. A big computer was there, and this was like this an old building. It was so. The meaning of that was later when I confirmed symbolically it was representing me that be yourself. Just Aftab, don't be everyone's else. Just be yourself. And that's what I'm doing right here in these streams. Sugar is a bit much today. Anyways, it's fine, nice. Sometimes sugar is good too. Market will be giving us profits, no doubt, okay? But obviously, we need to stay disciplined. If this is below this, then my SL can survive. But this SL is too much. I'm not be waiting this much for. Okay, that just this level I'm waiting for. If it is not holding the market, consider me out from it for now. But I think this level should work, and this level should work strongly. By strongly I mean strong candle should appear right here. Those other pairs I didn't discuss for quite some time now. And remember, if you guys can support these live streams, then I will not be trading. I will be just giving the directions. Those directions will be even more perfect than this, because right here I also trade for myself. So if I get sponsors, I will stop trading live and I will just be explaining. So those will be then 100%. I will also be able to focus on you guys as well. Anyone want to take it, just take it. I'm taking it as a fresh scalping one. Let's see. $14 it's taking for me, not much a big difference, but if it works, this is not a too much hi-fi type of entry. Okay, because right here is just this much present. Yes, just this much profit is present in this one, not much. Still the market will be most probably dropping from there. Okay, leave a like everyone. You haven't completed the likes and you guys are anyways very silent. Is everything okay? Market is very easy today, my friends. What you are saying? Do you know yesterday after the stream 11 clients I attended? 11. 11 Zoom meetings I attended yesterday. Everyone was having a problem of this. They were in a hedging position and they were badly losing, big problems they have. I just don't want to make your head spin with that, but 11. Because yesterday I play that WhatsApp banner right here. So people contacted me and I charge per hour, okay, per 40 minutes one Zoom session. 11 I attended. So the account is growing nicely as well, plus around $130 I made from there as well. So this way life is going on, my friends, okay, this way. Because my current equity is not enough to feed me from trading, okay, full time with this much I cannot rely. I need bigger money. I don't have my own bigger money for now. This is good working strategy, okay. Anything I will be giving to all of you is something that will work, not random stuff here and there. If I'm marking a level, there must be something behind it. Wow, this scalping one, did you guys took it? 33 pips it's giving. Further if you want to hold is your own choice. But 34 pips is more than enough. Yes, I am targeting 127 pips with a stop of 28 pips. But I think I'm getting greedy. I say I want to book more, but let's see. Okay, 127 pips is still good. Dagadi. Leave a like, everyone. I need a like from you. I have this, okay. and I developed it in, and then refined it as well. See? Yes, that's it's how going. I'm anyways in front of the PC, so I'm increasing it a little bit, okay? Who knows? It might be a crashing up market. Extremely easy market. If today one doesn't make profit, why that person doesn't make profit? Why? Don't you see this particular pattern right here? Big volume rejection. This is that morning's plan, if you see. If let's say one has 10K account, can make decent $200-300 per day. That's more than enough. Living in India and Pakistan, I mean, one can live a very luxury life. Yes, my friends, with a 10K account, decent profits can be generated. You didn't guys completed the likes, okay? They are still 11, still 4 likes. World class education and strategy I'm presenting right here for all of you. There is this little trouble zone. Let the market go away from it, then we see. There is a news in 25 minutes as well. So I think this one I should close, okay? One I closed in profit, and the other I want to leave a bit long term. This one I got with 28 pips, okay? 2 was too much burden over the account. I need more money, my friends, to trade nicely. At least 20K account if I have. Oof, that will be extremely fun. This sell, well, it can sell off from here, but I am in this sell not interested, okay, personally, because I'm looking at it bullish. I see a break above this, okay. Now maybe before the news, after the news, or it come back down, stop me out first. That's like, but let's see this level, okay. I don't expect price to bounce off from this level, but obviously level is for a sell. We cannot just ignore it. See, right here. This level is a quick scalping sell level, but I'm not selling. Instead, I closed one of my buy in profit. Waiting for another 0.05 buy, maybe ideally right here somewhere. Let's wait, okay. Still we have 23 minutes left in the news. 15-minute candle, see, it still suggests strong buying. Maybe then on a breakout and a retest of this after the news, maybe I can buy further 0.05. Otherwise I will let this one go, okay. With just 28 pips, see this much profit it gave, and this is my strategy. If one understands it, their life will be changed forever. This is, I'm telling you. This is a life-changing strategy, I should say. With little dedication and little effort, my friend, this is life-changing. This strategy has changed my life. I would be no more in trading. I completely fed up. This was the method which kept me trading. This if occur, this is my entry point, but if market gives me that, then okay, because strongly it is bullish at the moment, can go bearish as well, there is a big news as well, but anyways I have good 28 pips stop loss. Here is that psychology going on in the mind. See, a trader thinks right here that if I close, who knows, the market skyrocket, I will be left with just this much profit. If the trader close and the market come back down, say, oh wow, my decision was good. Whichever is happening, no one is 100% sure. As I say, we work in probabilities. Why? Because overall the market is bullish at its place. Whenever, remember my friends, whenever the market will be behaving as this, see these candles, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, around 10 minutes it is behaving as this. Whenever such structure forms right here, just understand this is not just random. This is hesitation going on, okay, because in the real time we don't know how much volume is appearing. So whenever there is hesitation, even if let's say this move is from a market maker will let the price drop so more people can join the rally and break this liquidity with them, because liquidity is building right here. Liquidity is everywhere on the chart. Even right now, right here is the liquidity right here. That is a very wrong concept. People say liquidity is taken. These are wrong social media concepts. Market is getting even more beautiful. Let's see another 0.05. Again I'm entering from here, the one that I closed in profit. With 28 pips, 117 pips. Did you get? Did you get? Clearly I gave this trade live today. You're still running in profit. We still have 19 minutes left in the news. Then we will know exactly what is the real intention of the people right here. Did you understand this impulsive wave concept that I just gave? Market showing this and this, which I explained how to catch the right one. And sometimes that right one can go against you as well. Yes, when gold go bullish, it hardly gives retracements, my friends, and maybe on the news it is skyrocketing. But there's another right place to buy. The right was right here. From London session I was saying, I'm waiting for a trade, I'm waiting for a trade. See 91 pips it is giving me. 91 pips, my friends. Is it less? How much I booked in the London session, then how after that in that silent session? A lot. We can make a lot of money together. Just imagine if you make $3,000 on a 1k account or 10k account. Isn't it good? It is. 3000 is too much. Multiply this by 2 and this becomes 6000. And when I talk, I don't talk in imagination, I talk in realistic words. This account is present in front of you, 1k I started, and it is 1665, and the profit, floating profit and loss is 45. So 1710 is it. This is 70%. The account grow to 170%. With this strategy, I'm telling you, it controls the emotions, it do everything. This particular strategy will be controlling the emotion for you, will be giving the right direction to you, everything. Understanding is the key. If one say no, I don't want to understand, there are still then that 7 steps rule strategy which I have, 7 steps. But then you will need a little bit of my direction. Okay, if you just master the 7 steps. If you do it the complete mentorship way, then you do all of these things yourself, you don't need me. After so many days, the bulls are finally happy today because it's their market. Attacks will be happening. Attacks will be happening right here. 15 minutes left. It will solve the puzzle for us. If it is broken above before the news, that will be good. Leave a like everyone on the stream. This is a little bit request I have from you. It's really good for my stream. I request you. Leave a like and share it in your communities. If you anyone wants to really hear the truth and honesty, this is the stream for you. This is is going to be the unforgettable stream, I'm assuring you. Life changing lessons right here you will be getting. 14 minutes left in the news. I think so. So far so good the buying. Plenty of the profits I made, around 800 pips I already made from London session. Since morning I'm right here. I was planning to like do a marathon from London Open till the NY close. But then my friends keep talking for long time. It's also draining so much energy. This one hits its TP, so I think for now I should close it. Okay, I closed before because in 12 minutes is the news. Let's see. Let's see, maybe right here if I get another chance. Right here. 43.86. Right exit from the market is also part of my strategy. Right exit from the market is also part of a very good and healthy strategy. Remember this. So for the newcomers, if I tell you right now, my buys remain bullish on gold. Okay, but like most people will say, does that mean I buy blindly? No, that does not mean we buy blindly. It means until the market proves me wrong, I continue looking for buy side opportunities. This we need to understand. Okay, remember, markets don't pay opinions, they pay execution. So my opinion is bullish, but my execution still depends on price respecting the levels we marked, and I mark these levels all with you. I think yes, it's good here. Okay, first stop loss of the day. maybe from right here. If it break this one, then the story will be way too hectic, I'm telling you. This seems failing, okay? There is this as well. Remember, there are always two things present in the market. Let's see it first here. Thank God I exited that position. Remember now, this is still valid, okay? Once this price gives us a close below this, then we say this is not valid. So the only valid thing left with us will be this. But it is yet valid, okay? This level is no more. This level is also no more. Side by side we'll be cleaning the charts as well. I'm taking a risk of 48 pips. This time it should give me this on the news. 7 minutes left. 48 pips on the news, I think it makes sense, okay? Especially when I know that I can make 218 pips. Or at least till here the market can go 115 pips. And yes, if I'm stopped out, just 48 pips will be gone. No issue for me at all. And beautiful comeback from the bulls side. So my expectation for continuation higher is still okay, but like expectations are free, confirmation is expensive, and I'm waiting for market to confirm what I already is in my luck. So I play this trade. Let's see how it turns out to be. Seems a bit more compromised. I will be going for another attempt right here on valid stuff, but I mean it makes sense to me till now at this stage. If you are taking it with me, book 18-20 pips from right here. Don't be too greedy. Just book it, book it. It's a top stream. Everywhere you will be getting profits. Everywhere you will be getting profits. close above this and the market will gain further momentum. And since this is a news, who knows, it can be a very crazy up really. So for safety purpose, because I see it going to 44.91, maybe this week, maybe next week, but it will go up there. But let's see, in 4 minutes is the news as well. I think this 100%, I'm sure this liquidity is going to be taken. So let's see, 1 minute before I will try to close this trade. 1 minute before. If you come live to the stream every day, I'm sure in a very short span of time you are going to become fantastic traders. You will also be then picking the entries as this without my help, without anyone's help. You will be not getting lost in the market. With this intention I come to live streaming every day. Otherwise 2-3 hours speaking non-stop since morning I am right here. Since morning I am right here. This is a social service I am doing right here. Remember, no one do it this way. Literally no one is doing it this way. Dench, yes. Joyride, hello, how are you doing? No, I didn't just enter the buy before my level, okay? Perhaps you are not with me since the morning. Check out my other streams, okay? I mean 2 minutes left, but this is such a tight SL, I'm not sure it's going to survive. But $18 I can easily book from the market right now. But if it suddenly go up, I will be slightly, like slightly this much. I am a human as well, okay? But I have been through such phases entire of my 10 years on YouTube, and then 3-4 years before that. And I'm promising you, inshallah, this stream is going to be the world best live forex trading stream. Because anything that works on honesty, no doubt will grow very slow. But once it grow, my friend, that honesty no one will be able to stop. Yes, it will be spreading across the globe. It will shake bigger offices, okay? This much I'm telling you. This strategy is going to change our lives. 1 minute left. In 1 minute, a straight sharp down move. And the SL is gone. Let's see. It's completely luck, my dear friends. 1 minute silence break, okay? Let's see. News is released. Nothing happened. Till now so far, no big reaction. Oh ho 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 ho. Initial reaction is to the bullish side of the market. Oh ho 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 ho. Oh ho 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 ho, my friend. Wow. Amazing. Amazing. Yes, they must be struggling right here, okay? If I was scalping only, I would book my profit, and I tell you this, if you want to book profit, just book it. I am getting a little bit greedy today, but it's okay. I mean, I'm just risking 48 pips, so I deserve to be greedy. With 48 pips, I deserve to be greedy. Because who knows, my friends, I can make this 1050 pips right here in just like a blink as this. And I haven't checked the news yet. Oh, look at this candle on the 1 minute, my dear friends. It's really crazy trying to break above. Don't sell right here. In this situation, okay? Let the price cool down. If I was about to add right here, immediately I would be in 128 pips of a stop loss. That's why I left this position to be traded either with 43 pips gone or my friends 1050 pips coming. Okay. See, they are struggling. They are struggling. They are nicely struggling. But they are not able to close above. Let's see then it on the 1 minute that okay, even if the 1 minute we see it bullish, let's see this level. I mean, the bulls are very crazy for weeks now. For 2 weeks they are crazy. From 17th April it is bearish. So bulls are crazy. They just need a little spark. Who knows, that spark can be today this news. Let me also check it, okay? You guys are not anyways going to tell me in the chat. Let me check myself, okay? Let me check it myself. Wow, dollar is 215. Unemployment claims increased, which is not good for the dollar. GDP price index 3.5, 3.8. It is a bit reduced. GDP quarter on quarter remain completely negative, 1.6%. Core PC price index 0.2% negative. My friend. It is deadly bullish, but I think it will be first taking the liquidity right here. I will be trading this with a separate breakout, okay? So maybe I may leave it now because liquidity will also be taken from right here. So then let's see that, okay, if this liquidity area is not anymore there, then that also makes a sense, okay, because this is now on floating, okay, on the table. It is just floating on the surface, and a big candle can form as well. So I prefer to leave it for now. I will trade this level as a separate breakout, and this patience can obviously, maybe, who knows, it drops from there till here and I re-enter from a better price point. So this one opportunity I have, and it's good I did not closed it before the news, otherwise I would not made profits. Knowing when to leave the position is also a strategy. When we take the trade, we are deciding three things: entry, stop loss, take profit, and even some people add another one, the fourth, where I will be booking my 50%. Yes, do it the professional way, I always say it. Not just here and there trading. The professional way, if one do it, will always be successful. I promise they will be successful. Let's see, okay. Seems still extremely bullish, but let's see. I want to follow what I said, either a break above then a buy, or either a correction back. There is this sell opportunity present in the market right now. How much? Potentially it can drop 57 pips. I'm not selling personally. I'm looking for a buy. Otherwise, this week, this month closed nicely in profits, my friends. Volnes, Volvic, how are you doing, my dear friend? Let's see if a breakout is occurring. I'm buying impulsively. Okay, this will be an impulsive decision, but I wish it come down till here first. Here. Wow, seems like it's a breakout candle. Thousand pips seems like it's giving me today. And now don't consider that I'm giving it bigger stop loss, okay? I'm not giving it bigger stop loss. This is that morning area. Let's see if it closes above this, then we have these levels as well. Every level will be giving us profit. Every level. And this is the momentum area, momentum shift area, okay? On the 15-minute. There is a very clean range to it. Since morning I'm saying it is going to crash up. How much it moved? I'm good, thank you so much, Walnes Volvik. Sometimes the markets are like just sprinkling money over our heads. If you follow Aftab, such times, such rallies, you will be covering with me. We will be eating these big moves alone. Whole in whole. Will not be leaving this much. Everything we will be eating. How much we ate, how many moves we ate this week. What do you do on weekends? Try to, for analysis purposes, watch my videos a little bit. Let's see another big level it is approaching. It should break this as well. If a drop is coming, most likely maybe till here or till here. For now, this is the place, okay? But that level is reacting nicely. This is this morning's level. So if this level holds nicely, then I assume market is coming back down till at this price point, till right here once again. One should keep this in mind. And both of them still are valid. If we get a close above this, then this is not happening. Good sign for being a bull. If it closes below this, then this is not happening. Good sign for a seller market. I mean, yes, little bit of a dip it can take from there, because I'm not sure if the volume is enough to break this level. Or not. We have to see the volume as well, because this volume will be telling us a lot. Volume tells us a lot of the things about the market. Such markets are directional markets. Remember, corrections hardly comes bigger correction. So if a bigger correction comes, I will say this is not that type of a market which I am thinking in my mind. Well, from April, the start of the April till now, so far this is 28th May. In 2 months, this is $724 of a profit on a 1K account. Live with you. You know, my friends, this is a bit funny, but years ago, I thought like entries were the problem. They were not. Entries were not the problem. The problem was that I could read charts, but I couldn't read myself. A time came up on me. Impatience, revenge trades, moving stop losses. And most traders lose because of one bad stop loss, remember. Same was the case with me. Bad trade. And I lose because I was keep repeating this for years and years, and most of the traders right now. So my friend, the thing is, that's exactly why I built deeper training around process, psychology and execution, because a live stream can show opportunities, but structured learning helps build, like, habits. And there are then a lot who keep changing strategies. If you are someone who keep changing strategies every month, next year's chart may look different, but your results may not, my friend. Skill compounds when you stay with one framework long enough, okay? One frame long enough, remember this. Price entering at again at a bad zone, I should say. Not too bad, but let's see, okay? So my goal isn't to make you dependent on me, it's to help you see what I see and eventually not need me. Let's see if it is a strong push up. That will be further fine, further nice, further beautiful. Leave a like everyone on the stream, and I request you please leave a comment after the stream ends. Okay, YouTube studio keep pushing me, asking me to tell your viewers to leave a comment when the stream ends. One is the live chat, not live chat. The more live chat you do, YouTube counts it as a very good thing, but you also need to have some comments below it. Okay, when the stream ends, this is a request, please. Okay, breakout has occurred. If it continue nice, then I might be leaving and later entering from a good price point if I suspect any drop or something. One is a sudden thing. Sudden is different, but it's keep going steady up, so I just let it go. My swing traders are very happy. They execute a trade, they shut down their computer, go, they leave. Yes, every day they just check. With me 5-10 minutes we talk on WhatsApp, and then wow. Wow, thanks Almighty for giving me this strategy. I'm so happy, my friends. I cannot tell you how much I'm happy. I'm extremely happy. This beautiful strategy, growing account for me. Wow. This is now really going to be a money printing machine for me. If done it correctly. If I do it wrong, it will burn my paper as well. Any paper that I will be putting in it to make it convert it into or print money on it, it will be burning that paper. Yes, yes, my friend. I'm not going to burn my paper with it. This is a printing machine, but it needs a special tool to operate. Otherwise, if one go without that tool, people will be burning their money with it, their paper with it. It will then you will enter paper and you will be waiting that okay, money will be now coming out of it, and when you see there are just ashes. Oh my god, this is just an ash. What should I do now? The long awaited move, my friends, and I'm catching it live with all of you. Wow, I'm so happy. But with this happiness comes another trouble area. This 44.23. I wish price just go crash up. Otherwise there is some trouble area ahead. Okay, this trouble area is still there. I cannot ignore. I cannot ignore, my friends. Can I ignore this trend line? No, not at all. Why? Because this is an intraday day trade, scalping trade. This is not a position trade. If it was a position trade, I would just give this much stop loss right here and would leave the position till up there, wait for my targets. We'll be closely observing this at this particular zone. Beautiful, fantastic. You know, want to get 1000 pips today. Some people came to buy a car from me because I want to change it. But they said it is accidented from the one window. I said yes, I mentioned it in the ad. No, I was coming and suddenly another car was also like this situation it was. See, a car is coming from this way, okay, and I am trying to, this is another road, you can say this is a road, okay. So I am trying to take, and this is not a very main road, okay. So this car was coming very slow, very slow. So I saw it, okay, slow, I was also slow. So when I reached here, accidentally this person was in a phone or doing something. He put his pedal on the accelerator and group. I said, what the hell is this? Then I repaired the door of that. I repaired that door then. It's reached, okay. This is a day trading selling price point 44.23 and 44.30 somewhere, but I will be avoiding the sells for now. Wow, look at my account, 1833. Let's just hope it just crashes above and doesn't respect it. But there is obviously some orders. A sudden stuff is possible from here. Let's see, in one go it should close above it. Bull, slow down. Let's see if they are breaking it or respecting it. We will know. I updated in the Discord group this setup as well last night. Okay. I wish it just break above and doesn't respect it. With a big go. There are no symptoms of sell at all at the moment. Wow, wow. It's wonderful. Means they are going up. Thank you NCE Bamati Bula 8159. This strategy will be changing your future. It came as a gift in my life when I was going through a very bad phase of my life. Nothing was literally working for me back then. It's sort of struggling. Shall I leave the position, re-enter again? Let's see. I think it's further going up. NY opening in 2 minutes. Let's see what they do. But I think maybe on the NY session they are going to take it strongly. I want to, what should I do? This profit is much, around 300 pips it is. 1 minute still left. Let's see, I'm waiting a little bit. But it's crashing up. I mean, if more volume comes, they will be strongly buying. Wow, seems like they are buying. Okay, but look at my take profit way up there, 46.55. But let's see, that is way too up. Who knows, a very strong crashing rally appears, huh? It gave this breakout. This breakout occurred. This is very much important. This breakout occurred. This one. So I mean, this much should go very cleanly. Clean candles. 1, 2, 3, 4, any amount of candles, but clean. Thank you, Marcos. We will see if this is a correction or like what. This level is also broken, so we have to see that is this a retest level of this. But if it closes above this, then the things will be complicated. Book your profits. Anyone who want to take profits, just book it, okay? Don't be aftab. Okay, profit booked. Now let's see. Smaller position I want to look for now. For example, let's see. Okay, let's wait. When it will be breaking up, I will buy and I will place my SL right here. Here. We'll buy right here. But I don't think so it will be stopping. NY opened. No, my friends. The stop loss is covered in those profits, okay? "24 minutes left for big volume time." I think the bulls are a bit over. This is what I think for today. Maybe. Let's see. Here is the fresh buying level, okay? At this place. If it closes below this, then my little son just fell from the bed. Jawad, you okay? He was playing. Bulls came in. Yes, maybe. Bearish engulfing. Yes, Sajid, thank you. I will be right back, okay? In 5 minutes. Wow, it is still active. See my beads. One of my subscriber gifted them to me. Good for positivity. Keep one set with you, okay? It will keep you positive. Beads has nothing to do with religion or anything, okay? It keeps the mind calm. In 8 minutes a high volume time will start, so let's see what that brings us. Any sells or any buys? It will be depending on this candle, I am sure. Eight minutes still left, and in this 8 minute they can crash it up as well. But this is the not right buy time, okay? Anyone who is buying right now is not the right time. The right times are gone. Yes, this one you see myself. Bye bye. This is compromised. Yes, this is not the right buy. It's gone. The right time is gone. But I'm covering this stop loss from that profit. Otherwise, since morning I'm saying buy from here, buy from here. 671 pips, that is. Now we see the higher volume go for a correction or not, because emotionally everyone sit into a buy rally. Okay, emotionally everyone is now in a buy. And would you like to understand why this market is doing it as this? Count, see, okay? See. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3. From the third day, it was keep dropping. Suddenly this candle closes above this zone. That's why market is behaving as this. Structure still seems to the bullish side of the market. This pattern which is created is strongly bullish, clean, pure bullish pattern it is on a retest zone. I already made good profits today, otherwise I want to add 0.50 on a buy right here. This is such type of a setup, but is late a little bit. We'll have the same stop loss. 177 for a 0.5 is too big for me. Just 4 minutes remaining, then let's see what it gives us. Well, an honest thing I want to tell to all of you, last time this account I started in April this much, okay, nicely I was going till this, or maybe 14, yes, 1450, not this. So I take this very nicely till April, and someone commented, said, sir, your account is growing nicely. And then something happened to me since then. That account again reached to 980 USD as well. Did a lot of bad trading inside that zone, force trading as well, previous 2-3 weeks. So don't draw my attention to my balance or my equity. If you do, I will start losing again. This is psychological. When I'm trading and when I look at the equity or the balance, it induces fear inside me, okay? And it might be true for everyone. So don't say account growing nicely or badly or recovered or not recovered. Just forget about this and focus on my trades, the ones that I do with the strategy that I demonstrated. Focus on them, okay? Leave my equity, my balance. I would definitely hide this, but I show it right here because I want to show you the floating profit and loss in pips and in dollars. That's why it's right here. Otherwise I would just hit Control T and it will be hidden. Wow, what happened to it? Good. 2 minutes still left, okay. Coming on to your chat if there is any. One minute left and the drama is going to be started. Big correction, because correction is something that every bull wants to see. Is this market going to give us that correction today? Correction is something that everyone wants to see right now. Market opened, okay. USA open high volume candle time. Yes, a drop is expected. Wow, get a rejection from the level. Several attacks now the sellers will be doing to break it. Three candles rejection I need, then I expect strong volume. One rejection occur, rest we don't know. No. H4 also closing. Maybe a pullback then. Okay. Okay. Yes, the pullback might be coming. We didn't saw any rejection from this level. I'm not going for any type of a sell. Bulls are trying, no doubt. But I'm not sure how. Or on the other hand side, we can say this liquidity for these bulls is taken over right here and should continue up. That's something else then. Time will decide. Time will decide. Bulls appeared, no doubt. Let's see if they sustain or not. We should not be afraid of this market. If we get afraid the moment we get afraid, the moment we are on a losing track. Remember, my dear friends. So far so good, but I mean, like, we also need to see this, right? So stop loss surviving, I'm not sure how that will be. I'm anyway so much tired since morning. I'm right here, so let's see. I might not be further trading. You guys also don't talk to me much in the chat, that's why I get bored. See, profitable strategy I brought for you, but then you make me then upset. Then I want to end the stream then. See, my friend, such a strategy I am giving you free of cost. Gives anyone strategy I give you. Why? I want a community, you need a strategy. Simple. You need a strategy, I need a community. I mean, what's bad in this deal? This is a pure halal deal, my dear friends. You get knowledge, you give me community. Don't leave me alone. I get bored, and when I'm bored, I lose money. Stay with me, okay? So I make money. You stay with me, then I make money. Aftab is alone, Aftab is nothing. Stay with me right here. This is just I'm requesting you. And listen to me, what I say. Just like a brother, a big brother, a small brother, that depends on your age. This type of a strategy I'm giving you. This type, okay? This type of a strategy. This type of an accuracy I give you. Remember, you are not going to get anywhere on the YouTube. I promise you. Don't leave me alone, okay? Human are social. I want to stay around with people who are also forex traders. Yes. This is just I want, but bigger community. See, YouTubers have bigger communities, even the vloggers. See, the vloggers, a person watch a vlog gets nothing. Right here I share knowledge. Free of cost. To build the community with you. Am I thinking something bad? Let me know. Don't let me bore, okay? Keep the chat active. Keep this this is a lively chat. Prosper Motikani. Always welcome, my dear friends. People get usually bored when I discuss random life. Can a life be separated from us? No. What is this? These decisions are what? This is life. This profit or loss I'm making is what? Is life. Where did this money come from? From life. I must have spent my time somewhere with a member, made the money invested here, multiplied it. An ecosystem that is going on. Most traders is not aware of it. Most trader is blind from everywhere. From the eyes, and have you ever seen anyone blind on the ears? I have seen. For a clever, a hint is enough. And you are clever. Why? Because you are my audience. This is a big classic failure signal appeared, okay? This one can be a false one in such situations. Thank you. You joined. I hope you will like these streams. No, we are holding actually a whole story. A whole story that started from the morning. Not a sell at the moment. And there is in itself a story behind this buy as well. That's problem. That's not a problem, Iceberry. Another attempt from the Bulls side. Do you guys think I can convert this account into 10K? How many of you think I can? Till 30th of June. Can I turn it to 10K? I promised someone actually that I will. But looking at these market conditions, I'm a bit, also don't want to pressurize the account, or else everything will be gone. Last week I did a little mistake. Though I didn't let the account equity go down, it was just my profits. My dear bro, I need a close up of this zone. Then I will say this is truly bullish. This line you see, I will say strong bullish candles are expected above this zone. And whatever I say then is then true. This market, this market is full of money, but my friends, we do need to learn how to get that money out from this market. This much is the difference between a successful trader and an unsuccessful trader. Remember, my job right here is to become a Forex motivator, to motivate traders to learn something new. And I'm struggling with it, and I will be struggling. Remember, human beings struggle till they are alive. This is just struggle. Now, my friend, I didn't get a break above. So means the story is a little bit gone wrong, I should say. We should call this story wrong, right? Because sellers appeared on a sell zone. Now the bull's response. Let's see how that response is this 1 minute. Because the H4 is also closing in 13 minutes. So if they decide that the H4 is bullish right now, if they decide they are going to take the low of this will now become previous candle. So if the low of this candle is being taken, a lot of the sell rallies will appear, because see where the low of this one is way too down. Again people will be thinking, oh, market is crashing. It will look like a crash on the lower time frame, but it will not be a real crash. Remember, it will be just a H4 price action correction. Have you seen my video on the price action? Make sure to check it out. And as the time passes by, see, this trend line is coming down, so the chances is that it will be keep hitting me, right? Disappear with a big volume, but where that volume goes, these logics we need to understand. Then, my friend, this is just profit and profit. How is the BGM, by the way, my friends? Let me head over to your chat. I've been a failed trader, but today I did it. That's great, my friend, that's great. Thank you, Walnus Volvic, for best wishes. Yes, Feroz Khan, yes, we have a strategy. You didn't, when I was bringing it back up there, you didn't follow the story, I guess. Yes, strong level gold is most difficult to trade. No, not at all, Sajid, not. No, Feroz Khan. What happened to you, Feroz Khan? What type of a patience are you telling me to have? What type of a patience, bro, I need to have? I mean, how much patience I do? From 17th April I was waiting for this particular zone. Check out the London session, you will know. People are now asking me about my strategy. Is it for sale or not? I said I didn't think about it, but if it is for sale, I will not be preaching it live right here on YouTube. So if I sell it once and forever, I will trade for myself and will trade. Life will become now set. It's nicely working. Such working, you must not have seen such working strategy. My friend, you know, people do the recorded. They tell their candle with a finger, hey, go up, and then they go up. I do it live. So Feroz Khan, what are you telling me to have patience for? When a common person cannot see something I can see. This is I don't have any proud on it, but I'm rather saying thankful, being thankful for it from the Almighty. Wow, if this original SL, my friend, I'm not coming to trade live tomorrow. Yes, I will just come, I will not trade. I will do it on TradingView if this hit today. Oof. We will enjoy, okay? This move we ate from here till here since morning. Completely we digested this move. Forex is discipline. And do you guys know? I did this improvement with 0.10. When I reduced the lot, my account start increasing. When I was doing it with 0.10, it was not increasing. That 1450 I grew with 0.01 and 0.02. Yes. So in terms of pips, I made a lot of pips. This strategy made for me regularly. Maybe if a double top forms right here, things will get worse. Not worse, I should say, but little bit, different, I should say. Because on such conditions, market should just crash above. See the H1 candle. Wow. If no good volume is expected here, it's coming down again, okay? Sort of, it is making that sell pattern, sort of, we can say. I'm leaving, okay? I'm leaving. I book a loss. 1870 is the account. Feroz Khan. Barbecue, yes. I'm too much tired mentally, okay? Let me leave a fresh opinion for all of you. On this chart, let's do it. See, in the morning I just told you to buy right here. I just told you so many times. Check out the stream. Fresh buys right here. Level became a support. Verified one, let's see if it is or not. In how much time it will be verified? In 5 minutes it will verify. Next candle, if it come back down till here, this is straight going back up. The actual up move it will be showing us is this. Remember, okay? So now what we are left with is we have a support and we have a resistance, and we are very closer to our support. So those who say gold is very much technical, tell me, my friend, what is technical in this? What? After all, what is technical? 46.75 is the projection, okay? Approximately. So for my memory purposes, I am adding 0.01 lot right here, and this is my swing trade at the moment. 188 pips of a take profit. No, 1887 pips of a take profit, and just 854 pips of a stop loss. But this is 0.01, so in dollars, if I tell you, I will lose $85 or I will win $188. With how much? With 0.01. Huh? It is, let's see, okay, let's see. But then I also think if it is anyways getting bullish, see, there will be this trend line with us. Then we see a sell from there, okay, not before that. Now we are buyers, we will be looking for buys. Now I'm a bit relaxed because this is such a small position. Great, Feroz Khan. My TP is not decided. The actual one seems like right here, 46.30 somewhere. Beautiful profits this market can give us. But see, there is one this level as well in the middle. I will be slightly getting cautious somewhere, maybe right here. Because then this will become and D will be down, so I will be a little bit cautious right here. If you guys want to scalp, I can stay with you. We can scalp. $45.30 is a very fantastic TP. This is broken. But it can still go down as this, okay? Understand it. Still we will say this is respecting the trend line. While price will be coming down, but it will not be able to close below. These are those hidden. Once they form, one day I will be showing you them. I'm giving it this much stop loss, okay? $14 and just leaving. H4 closed. Yes, because this candle can come back down, take the low of this candle, and here is a very precise entry placed for you. 43.85 approximately. A precise bigger lot trade entry is present right here. If the market is, let's see, fast, I can catch it with you. Make sure after the stream ends to leave a comment, not a chat, a comment, please. This is a request. If you guys don't give me a comment, I will take it on my heart. See, with my pure dedication I do these live streams, okay? It requires a lot of energy explaining these markets and stuff. What you are saying, my friend, this is not so easy, okay? I'm just leaving it, okay? This is a very big, beautiful and successful day for me. Thank you so much anyone who want to reach out to me. This is my WhatsApp number. Reach out to me and plan your Zoom sessions with me so that you can start making money as soon as possible from these up and down waves on regular basis, and your life will be set. Thank you so much. See you next time. Bye bye.